Week 12. Welcome to Unit 4. This unit will cover forms from Chapter 6 in your textbook, which is by Michelle Green. It also covers quantitative and qualitative analysis and delinquency rates. This unit will explain how to look for delinquencies in the medical record. So with this week, you're going to review PowerPoint number 9 and number 10, and make sure you review these lectures. There's also going to be a discussion board on delinquent charts. You have assignment number 20, 21, and 22. So let's just briefly look at 20. Now keep in mind, this is out of your workbook lab assignment, 6-3. You then also have 21 here. It's attachment. This is for delinquency. Don't get stressed over it. It's easy math. I just want students to try. And if you don't get it, don't worry about it. If I see attempt, you'll get the full 5 points. So assignment number 22, it's out of your lab assignment book again, workbook. And this is 6-2. I have an attached worksheet. Do charts 02 through 05. I did give you the answers to the first case and the last case. And then lastly, we have the message board delinquent charts. So with this, make sure you read through. It's going to be 10 points for the initial post, and then you need to answer 2 other students to get an additional 10 points total. If you have any questions this week, please ask.